context again, we've never had quite a fire quite like this. We've had some big ones. In fact, the one in Myrtle Beach with the peat moss and the Carolina Bays and all, it's still smoldering. That's been weeks, as you know. I think Georgetown, that one has been contained. I think it might be out. But what we're facing here is, you've seen the movie The Perfect Storm. Well, this might be the perfect fire, because we have two events that have joined together. And one was the hurricane, Helene, that was not expected to be in this part of the state, but it was. And it's been long enough to where those trees and other fuel sources that got knocked down have now dried out. And not only does that make it difficult to cross with machinery or on foot, but it also adds to the fuel. It's dry now and the relative humidity is low, and so there's plenty of fuel. So then here comes the fire. Here comes, we believe, some careless people, and we now have two big fires going, and they've burned thousands of acres so far. They're, because of the good work by the people that you see here, using their experience, they have, so far we've had no structures lost. What they've done is, when the structure is threatened, they try to build around it, try to deflect the fire in another direction. And we're fortunate that we've not lost no structures, because there are plenty of them out there that could have been lost. But we got a lot of work to do. It's going to take a long time to get this contained. It is not contained now, except in some places.